I got second.
Good for you.
Yeah. Look at me, second place.
Yeah, I see you. Where are you? I don't see you anywhere. There you are. I think I just saw you then.
No, you did not.
There you are. You're there. There you are. Get there. You're holding a totem. You're holding an emerald. Come here. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, there's Technoblade. Yes, I know about Technoblade. Rest in peace, King. You will be missed. Anyway, enderman. Technoblade. R.I.P. King. Alright, I'm gonna beat you. I'm in the lead. No, I'm not. I was in the lead, but stupid bee-looking dude decided to overtake me. And the freaking net.
I'm right behind you.
Wait, what? You're right behind me. Are you actually? Why are you laughing? I know that laugh.
No, I wasn't. I just wanted to give you a little heart attack, you know, just to spice things up a bit. Ooh, that was smart, leaping into the portal.
No, there was TNT. There's TNT. I see the Technoblade dude. I don't know where you are. Oh my god!
Yeah!
No! You're right behind me! Have mercy on me, I'm in the lead now.
Good for you.
Oh my goodness. No! What? Ah!
Ah! No! You're right behind me! You fell into the water, you big dork.
Okay. Call me a dork again, we're gonna have issues. Plus, I'm just right back to where I started. I'm right behind you.
No, you're not. What the hell, yo? What the hell?
Yo, that was incredible! There was a load of people in my face and I managed to... Ah!
Oh my god, that was so dumb of me. I think
I'm gonna get fixed! Let's go!
I got ninth. Yes.
You are so stupid, bro.